students, welcome to online class. Now students, how are you? Okay, I am also fine. Students, eat healthy food and keep your body become healthy. Okay. Now we will learn about unit 1, reproduction. You already learned there are 4 life cycles of animals. Yes. Today we will learn about comparing 3 types of life cycles. Okay. See the slide. Unit 1, reproduction. Today we will learn about describe ways in which animals take care of their babies in their habitat and improve the changes of survival. Okay, students, what is your aim today? Once again recall, what is the aim of the class? Comparing life cycle of different living beings. Comparing life cycle of different living beings. Okay. What is the second aim? Taking care of young ones. Taking care of young ones. Students, you are learning objectives today. Comparing different type of life cycles in organisms. Okay. Second aim, taking care of young ones. See the slide. Describe ways in which animals take care of their babies in their habitat and improve the changes of survival. Okay. Students, you already learnt what is reproduction. What is mean by reproduction? Yes, very good. The process of producing individuals of the same kind is called reproduction. Okay, reproduction is the main process of life cycle. Yes, what is mean by life cycle? Yes, very good. The series of changes in an organism is called life cycle. Now, we are going to learn comparing life cycle of human being, hen and butterfly. Okay, now we compare the life cycle of human, hen and then butterfly. Students, now we are going to comparing the life cycle of human, hen and butterfly. You already learned the three life cycles. Yes? Okay. Students, how many stages in the life cycle of human being? How many stages? Very good, excellent answer. There are 5 stages in human's life cycle. Yes? So, how many stages in hen life cycles? Very good. There are 4 stages in hen life cycle. Okay? How many stages in butterfly's life cycle? Very good, excellent answer. There are also 4 stages in the butterfly life cycles. Yes? Okay, compare the first point. Ways of first one, ways of giving birth. Okay? First point, ways of giving birth. Compare the point. First one, ways of giving birth. You have already guessed the answer, yes? Okay, what is the first one? Human being, ways of, what are the ways of human being giving birth? Yes, excellent answer. Giving birth to young one. Giving birth to 3 stages comparing to the life cycles. Students, see the slide. First one, human life cycle. There are 5 stages in human life cycle. First stage is fetus. First stage is fetus, and then second stage baby stage, third stage child stage, and fourth one adolescent stage. The fifth one is adult stage. Yes? See the next one. Hen's life cycle. The second life cycle is hen's life cycle. How many stages in hen's life cycle? Yes, there are 4 stages in a hen's life cycle. First stage is egg stage, second one baby stage, third one chick stage, and then fourth one adult chicken stage. Yes, very good. See the next one slide. Students, see the slide. Butterfly life cycle. How many stages in butterfly life cycle? Yes, there are 4 stages in butterfly life cycle. First stage is egg stage, second one caterpillar, third stage pupa stage, and fourth one adult butterfly stage. Very good. Okay, the first point is giving birth to young one in humans, and laying eggs is the first stage of hen. Laying eggs is the first stage of butterfly life cycle. Coming to the second stage is the baby stage in human life cycle, and then second stage is baby stage in hen life cycle. Third stage is also caterpillar stage is the second stage of a butterfly life cycle. Okay, so compare to the third stage. Yes, what is the third stage of human life cycle? Yes, the third stage is child stage. Okay, what is the third stage of human being? Yes, human life cycle. The third stage is child stage. Okay, what is the third stage of hen life cycle? Very good. Chick stage is the third stage of hen's life cycle. Okay, what is the third stage of butterfly life cycle? Yes, pupa. Pupa is also called resting stage. Okay, pupa is also called resting stage of a butterfly life cycle. This is the third stage of the butterfly life cycle. Okay, coming to the fourth stages. Okay, fourth stage is the adolescent stage in human life cycle, and then what is the fourth stage of hen life cycle? Yes, very good. Adult chicken is the fourth stage of hen life cycle. Okay. And butterfly. See the butterfly life cycle? Yes, butterfly. There are fourth stage is adult butterfly. It's the fourth stage of butterfly's life cycle. There are 4 points almost covered. Yes, students? Okay. Human life cycle is totally 5 stages. How many stages? 5 stages in human life cycle. How many stages in hen life cycle? Yes, there are 4 stages in hen life cycle. How many stages in butterfly life cycle? There are also 4 stages in the butterfly life cycle. Very good. Once again recall. What are the 5 stages in human life cycle? Yes, fetus, baby, child, adolescent, and adult. Okay, totally 5 stages in human life cycle. How many stages in hen life cycle? 4 stages. How many stages? 4 stages. First stage, egg stage. Second stage, baby. Third one, chick. And fourth one, adult chicken. Okay. How many stages in butterfly life cycle? 4 stages in butterfly life cycle. Yes. First one, egg stage. Then second one, caterpillar. Third one, pupa stage, and fourth one, adult butterfly stage. Okay, students, once again see the slide. This is the butterfly life cycle, and that one is a hen's life cycle. Yes, there are 4 stages in hen life cycle, and That one is a human life cycle. Yes, 5 stages in human life cycle. Yes, okay. The first aim is over, ma. Comparing 3 types of human life cycles. Okay, students. Now your first aim is over. Comparing life cycle of hen, human, and butterfly. Okay. So, what is the difference between these 3 life cycles? What is the difference between? Yes, hen life cycle is there are 5 stages in hen life cycle, 4 stages in human life cycle, and 4 stages also butterfly life cycle. The first one is giving birth to young one. Other 2 are laying eggs. Okay. What is the third stage? What is the difference of third stage? Third stage is child stage, and then hen is one of a bird, so it's a chick stage, and then butterfly is a totally different pupa stage. The third stage is pupa stage. Fourth one, this is the adolescent stage. Hen life cycle is adult. Both of the butterfly also adult butterfly. Okay. So these 3 life cycles are compared this class. Next one. Shall we move the next topic? Yes, students. Okay. Next, your aim is taking care of young ones. Okay. Taking care of young ones. Okay. What is taking care of young ones? What is taking care of young ones? Young one means students. Now we are going to next topic, taking care of young ones. Okay, what is mean by taking care of young ones? Students, why do you think you have hold your parents' hand while crossing a road? Why do you think? Understand my question? Why do you think you have to hold your parents' hand while crossing a road? Yes, because it may be safe for you. Yes, it may be safe for you to cross a road alone. Yes, students, are you ready to willing to walk in a forest at night time? No. Why? Yes, because you feel fearless. Yes. The forest is the forest at night time is very dark. Yes, you know. So you are not willing to walk in a forest at the night time. Yes. Same thing. The animals also taking care of young ones. Not only human. The animals also taking care of young ones. Shall we go to the class? Yes. First one, tiger. Today we will learn some of the parent animal how to taking care of young ones. Okay. So first one, tiger. Have you seen a tiger? Oh, you seen in a Discovery Channel. Yes, very good. What is the pet name of tiger? Yes. You guess it answer? Yes, it is a very fast running animal, and then one of the wild animal. It is our national animal. Yes. Okay. So the tiger live in which place our tiger live in? Which place our tiger live in? Yes, the tiger live in forest, but it makes a den in a curve. Tiger makes in a den in a curve. Okay. Which place our tiger live? Tigers live? Yes. Forest and den. Den in a the tigers make den in a curve and under a tree to protect the young ones. Yes? Yes. Okay, what is the baby animal of tiger? What is the name of baby animal? Baby animal offspring? Very good. The baby of a living being is called offspring. Yes. So what is the name of the offspring in tiger? Yes, very good. Cub. Yes. The offspring animal of horse. The offspring animal of horse? Foal. Very good. The offspring animal of cat? Yes, very good. The baby animal is of cat is kitten. Very good. What is the offspring of cow? Offspring of cow? Very good. The offspring of cow is calf. Yes. You know many animals of offspring are. So today we will learn about details about tiger. How to tiger taking care of young one? Yes. See that? Yes. When the cubs are born, okay. When the cubs are born, their eyes remain closed for many days. Okay. Suddenly after the few days, they drink the mother's milk. They are 2 months old. How many months? 2 months only. The offspring only feed the mother's milk 2 months only. Okay. After few days, the mother tiger teaches them to hunt for the food. Hunting. The mother tiger, after few days, the mother tiger teach them to hunt of their own food. Okay. Then, so tiger is one of the dangerous animal. Yes. So the tiger protects the cub in a den. Okay. So all the animals taking care of the young ones for themselves. Okay. Second one. See the slide. Students, see the slide. Taking care of young ones. See the tiger and cub. Yes, it is very nice picture. Yes. Yes. See the second slide. Students, what do you see in this picture? Yes, the cow and the offspring of cow is calf. Yes? Okay. This is one of the cow is one of the domestic animal. What is the benefit of cow? Cow gives us milk and one of the domestic animal. Yes? Students, have you seen a birds? Yes, there are different type of birds live in surroundings. Okay, so why do we birds make next? Why do the birds make nest? Yes, because the birds laying eggs and protect from other animals. Yes, yes. The birds also taking care of their young ones. All animals, each and every animal taking care of young ones and depend their parents in a baby stage. Yes, you know already. See the slide, next one. Students, see the slide. That one is humans. What do you see in the picture? Humans. Okay. So your parents also taking care of yourself. Yes. In a baby stage, you are depending upon your parents for each and every one. Yes. As a baby, you cannot. As a baby stage, you cannot walk or learn or anything. Fully, you depend upon your parents. Yes. Yes. So, each and every animal depend upon their parents for baby stages. Yes, ma'am. So, taking care of young ones is very important in a baby stage for animals, both of the humans also. Okay. So, today we have learned comparing comparing three types of life cycle. Yes, comparing three types of life cycles. What are the three life cycles? Human life cycle, hen life cycle, and butterfly life cycle. Then what is the second topic? Taking care of young ones. Taking care of young ones. What is mean by offspring? Yes, the baby of a living being is called offspring. Okay, so we see the slides of three pictures: tiger, and then cow, and humans. Yes, the tiger. What is the baby animal of tiger? Cub. What is the baby animal of tiger? Cub. Okay, so the birds also taking care of young ones in a second stage. Yes, so the baby of each and every animal depending upon the parents for each and every one. Okay, okay, today class is over. Students, did you understand the concept for today's class? Okay, thank you.